Thanks for checking out this Aweber video. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and stick around at the end for some awesome suggested content. With Aweber's Email Template Manager, you can save any template that you create in Aweber for future use. This helps you maintain consistency from email to email. First, under Messages, click Email Template Manager. This page will list out all of the saved templates that you already have. To start adding templates, you can use our Smart Designer. Just add your website's URL. And what we'll do is we'll try to pull content and images from your website to create a template that's designed and kept on brand with your site. From here, you just choose the template you want. And then when you save this template, you'll be asked to save it to a list, and it'll show up in the Template Manager. Now you can also save templates that are created from Aweber's drag and drop editor, imported, or even designed using HTML. In fact, you can also edit the source of any of the templates that you add to the Template Manager. Especially if you're well-versed in HTML, you can really customize and edit your template exactly to your liking. So what are you waiting for? Why not take what you just learned and try it out in Aweber today? And if you don't have an account, don't worry, it's absolutely free to sign up. Until next time.